Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jigglypuff from Pokemon. So first let's get started by drawing in the eyes. So we're going to draw these on a diagonal. So coming over on the right hand side, we're going to draw a nice big circle for the right eye. And then coming up on a diagonal, we'll replicate that, leaving a gap in the center. Let's move in towards the middle now. We're going to draw in another circle in the center. And then moving up on a diagonal, again, we'll replicate that. In the top right-hand corner, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. And now in the center, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right for the mouth. Let's move further up now. In the center on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. Moving underneath this now, we're going to curve this all the way around and then down on the right-hand side. Moving down on a diagonal for the arm, we're going to curve this line in, and then starting at a point, we're going to curve this back up. Closing off the body now, moving down from the top, we're going to curve a small line that arches in. And now leaving a small gap, we're going to replicate that, curving this all the way around and then in towards our arm. Let's move over towards the left-hand side now, and we're going to curve this line in and then up. And then again, leaving a small gap, we're going to continue to curve this around and then in. Now let's draw in our ears. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And now starting at that point, we're going to curve this around, back down. We'll replicate this shape on the inside now. So we're going to curve a small line that arches across. And then on the inside, we're going to curve that up. And then starting at that point, we're going to arch it back down. Let's move down on our right-hand side now, and we're going to curve this line out. And then at that point, we're going to arch this around and then back in. On the top of our line here, we're going to curve that across. And then now from here, at that point, we're going to arch this in. Lastly, for our feet, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back up. And then on the left-hand side, starting further up on this line, we're going to curve this across and then in. And now on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in our left arm. So we're going to curve this line out, bringing that in. And that is it. That's how you draw Jigglypuff from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.